Hello viewers, welcome to Pure iPOS cloud-based restaurant management solution. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate reports regarding your restaurant. The graph on this left panel will take us to the report section. Here we see a list of reports that are predefined in the system. Let me show you a monthly statistics report. You can select any month to begin with. Click on submit. And we see a report for the month of February 2019. This report will be a date-wise report to see your number of orders, items sold, amount, tax, discount if any, and total price. You can see the total details as well. This report can be exported to Excel or PDF, or you can either print if you wish to. Let me show you one more report for an example. Let us see the item sales statistics. Here, you can see the item sales statistics by category. Say we select kids menu. You can also select it item wise, or if you want, we can see both. Let me select all the items. A selection of date is also available. Click on submit and we see the report for kids menu category, the items, the amount, modifiers if any, tax, discount and total price. This will also show you a total of the item sales here. You can also export and print this report if you wish to. Similarly, daily statistics report, payment types report, no charge user report, cash drawer, complimentary, gratuity, all these reports can be downloaded or exported. And apart from these, if you need any modifications in these reports or if you need any new reports, you can contact us on sales@pureites.com and we will be happy to help you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.